Hello guys. So if you're looking to unfollow everyone in your Instagram account, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now for doing that, firstly open your Instagram, then just simply go to your followings. Now the basic thing that you can do is just simply click on unfollow for everyone that you are following right now. Like for example, just simply keep on hitting unfollow. So the normal method of unfollowing is just simply click on it. Just simply click on it and unfollow it. Just like this. Now you can just simply do this for all of them if you want to, and that's a simple method. Now there are other ways that you can use to unfollow every one of your followings in a matter of seconds. So for doing that, you will be needed a third-party application, but I will not suggest you to do that because you have to enter your Instagram ID, and by doing that you may accidentally lose your account. So the other way that you can unfollow everyone is just simply first let me follow them back. Now the other way that you can do is just simply go back, click on the three lines at the top right, go to settings, scroll down at the bottom, go to help, report problem without shaking, then click on don't include and continue. Now just simply write something like help me unfollow all of my followings. Then after doing that, just simply hit send, and after doing that, Instagram will unfollow all of your following within a day or two. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe for my channel, and take care.